In this video, I'll walk you through the latest updates to GrowthWheel Online, designed to improve your overall experience working with clients. The new 360-degree Business Canvas Online is here, now with AI summaries. You can now create a full 360-degree business canvas directly inside GrowthWheel Online and collaborate with your clients more easily than ever. From the quick access menu, simply select a client and click Create 360-degree Business Canvas. Add a title. Choose whether it's for a current or future business, and start building the canvas section by section. As you work, you can generate AI summaries for every focus area. Just add your notes and click Generate Summary to instantly create structured insights and clear bullet points. Short highlights appear on the main canvas, while a more detailed summary is saved within each focus area. The more context you add, the more relevant and powerful the AI output becomes. Once your canvas is complete, you can also generate AI-powered business documents, including conversation starters, growth opportunities, and market research ideas, all based on the information in the canvas. These documents are meant to generate ideas and inspire advisor-client dialogue. Once ready, export the full 360-degree business canvas as a clean, professional PDF at any time, with a first page overview and detailed summaries across all focus areas. You can also invite clients to complete their own canvas. With one click from the client list, send a request to any invited client, and they'll receive an email with a direct link to create and share their canvas back with you. We hope these new updates make it easier for you to get the big picture of any client's business.